Coronavirus has claimed more than 10,000 lives, pushing countries into an overdrive to restrict the facilities. Here's a report on the latest developments from around the world. This is the Gravitas coronavirus tracker.
Anxiety over coronavirus has put an end to political gatherings. The G7 summit is the latest high-profile event to be cancelled. US President Donald Trump is the host for this year's summit, which will now be held via video conferencing. United Nations Chief Antonio Guterres has said that global recession due to coronavirus is a near certainty. He criticized current national responses and warned that millions could die if the virus is let to spread like wildfire. Global car makers have halted production at their US and European factories. BMW, Toyota, Honda and Nissan are the latest to shut down their assembly lines. On the other hand, the world's largest retailer, Walmart, will go on a hiring spree. It will add 150 part-time employees to cope with increased demand due to panic buying. California has issued a stay-at-home order to its citizens under further notice. A partial lockdown was already in effect in Los Angeles and San Francisco. Now the go-out only if required rule applies to the entire state. California has the largest Asian American population in the United States, so the Governor Gavin Newsom had to warn against xenophobic attacks. In South America, Argentina has imposed the strictest measures to tackle coronavirus. There's a nationwide lockdown. Everybody must undergo quarantine. The timing couldn't have been worse for the country's economy. The government is trying to avoid a default on overseas loans worth $70 billion. India, a city that never sleeps, is slowly shutting down. All private workplaces in Mumbai have been ordered to close until the end of March. Only groceries and pharmacies, along with other essential services, will remain open. It is the closest an Indian city has come to a complete shutdown. A startling admission by the Chinese authorities. They admit that the doctor who first raised alarms over coronavirus was unfairly targeted by the government. The coronavirus whistleblower Dr. Li was harassed for reporting the first cases. He continued treating patients and finally succumbed to the virus. The Chinese government has now apologized to his family. Healthcare workers are on the front line of this fight. The United Kingdom has asked 65,000 retired doctors and nurses in England and Wales to return to the National Health Service. Those who return will be assessed to see how they can fight the pandemic. The world's fastest supercomputer has identified chemicals that could stop the coronavirus pandemic. IBM's supercomputer ran thousands of simulations to analyze which drug compounds could kill the deadly virus. The supercomputer identified 77 drug compounds. This is a crucial step towards finding a vaccine for COVID-19. India will go into a self-imposed voluntary lockdown this Sunday. Janta curfew, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi called it, is receiving support from all quarters. From Indian men's cricket captain Virat Kohli to Bollywood superstar Amitabh Bachchan, several celebrities have come out in support of Prime Minister Modi's initiative.